Yeah. VQ. Badman. Ha. Feed mount. Yeah. L to the B. Yeah. Yep. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. Yeah. I want balls, let me. 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 Come on, remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. 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 I want
If you're like me, you always find grommet curtains in the right color, the right texture, the right fabric, but you just hate the look of grommet curtains. They remind you like of a shower curtain. Well, I got a trick for you that you might enjoy, so I hope you stay tuned because this video is super, super short, so pay attention. Okay, as you can see, I have grommet curtains, but what I'm going to do is fold them across and sew them along the edge, and you can still use them as grommet curtains, except you're going to get a drapery look to them. Absolutely love these curtains. I'm obsessed. I've bought 3 different shades for 3 different rooms in my house, and these are 96 inches, and they are you get 2 panels for $77. I think certain colors are a little bit higher. As you can see, I've already folded. I lost footage, so I'm sorry. I thought I was filming myself stitching it, but I folded the grommet over in the inside, and then I stitched along the line. As you can see right here, I stitched it, and I stitched it with a tan cream line, and you don't even see it because they are velvet. The stitching does not even show. It's just nice, and it blends in so wonderful with these curtains, as you can see, just like this. And I even made a few boo-boos. I got a couple of crooked areas, but that's okay. For the most part, it is straight and it is seamless, and it looks like it came that way. The beauty of this is you can get that grommet feel, but it's going to be on the inside, and people will never know that you have grommet curtains. These look like they were customized, or they were made, or they were perfect drapes. As you can see here, it actually works better this way than it do as a regular grommet curtain showing the actual rings. I'm super, super impressed with the space and how it has really brought a little bit of closure to my bedroom, but I am not finished and I can't wait to share the full version of the bedroom. So this is what you get for now, and this video is almost at its end. I absolutely love these curtains. I have them in white, gray, and the gold. I love this rich gold. It is a seasonal color, but it is for me year round. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope that maybe you can steal this idea. If you do, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. And I was able to keep my blinds by using the rustic rod iron curtain rod. So thank you again for tuning in. Love you guys. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.